I started one of the first domestic violence units in the nation in 1978 when people didn't think it was a crime to beat your wife, when people thought if a woman stayed, she probably liked the abuse or probably deserved it. I'm Judge Janine Pirro of The Judge Pirro Show. Today, we have come a long way, but not long enough.
My name is Leslie Orloff, and I'm an attorney and an advocate for victims of violence against women. In the beginning, I think the focus was very much on victim safety and perpetrator accountability. But those of us in the field working with women on a daily basis who are victims of domestic violence, without economic security, women couldn't make it on their own and they would end up going back to the abusers. It was those economic issues that often drove women back, who really were trying to leave and make a better life for themselves and their children.
My boyfriend abused me during my pregnancy of my first son. Your self-esteem is being chipped away, your financial freedom is being chipped away. I remember I spent $7.39 on sandwiches for my children for dinner, and because I spent that money, physical assault was waiting for me when I got home.
In my situation, I had the courage and the strength to get out, but I didn't have the finances to truly escape, to truly get away. Wherever I went, he would find me. And I realized then the importance of budgeting and having that money readily available.
The Allstate Foundation has been a catalyst that has really brought the issue to the attention so that economic empowerment and economic security could become real in the lives of women and communities. Allstate has been supporting coalitions around the country so that economic empowerment would be part of the safety planning process.
My name is Jennifer Kuhn, and I manage the Allstate Foundation's domestic violence program. The Allstate Foundation believes that economic empowerment is one of the major long-term solutions to ending the cycle of violence.
If we can take economics out of the reason that women stay, then women will be safer, women will be able to go on, because make no mistake, the violence that occurs in the home spills out onto the streets.
The mission at Legal Momentum is to provide economic security and support for working women across the country, and to support the kinds of things they need to succeed in making a life that is safe and secure for themselves and their families. With funding from the Allstate Foundation, we've been able to train hundreds of advocates and attorneys and people that are working with victims to be able to better help support them in their economic empowerment and moving forward with their lives and staying free of violence.